PLT. OTC, PLT, OT pre-start complete, 3 great talkbacks.
Copy that.
APU pre-start was held off since we were holding at T-5.
I copy. We'll stand by for just one more second.
Gotta go to pick up the count here.
3, 2, 1. Mark. TLS is go.
We're at T-5 minutes and counting.
OTC, perform APU start.
CLT.
CDR OTC, reconfigure heaters.
Heater reconfig is complete.
Range safety safe and arm devices being armed at this time.
OTC, PLT, we have 3 good APUs.
Copy that.
Light Hammond reports the auxiliary power units are good. T-4 minutes.
TLS is go for purge sequence 4.
Doing a flight control test at this time. Moving the rudders and speed brake. Be gimbling the main engines here momentarily. Flight control test of the main engines now underway. 3 main engines gimbling. We'll be retracting the gaseous oxygen vent arm in about 20 seconds. Standing by to pressurize the external tank. T-255.
TLS is go for ET LO2 pressurization.
Liquid oxygen tank on the external tank now being pressurized. Fuel cells going to internal.
See clear caution warning memory. Verify no unexpected errors.
CLT.
Gaseous oxygen vent hood, GOX beanie cap being retracted at this time. T-220.
OTC, PLT, caution warning clear, no unexpected messages.
Copy that.
Standing by to pressurize the liquid hydrogen tank.
Discovery OTC, close and lock your visors, initiate O2 flow. It's time to fly.
All right, that's complete, and we'll see you all in about a week or so.
TLS is go for ET LH2 pressurization.
Pressurizing the hydrogen tank now. Joint heaters on the solid rocket boosters being turned off. T-140.
One minute 30.
129. 1 minute away now from Discovery's computers taking control of the countdown sequence. Hydrogen tank at flight pressure. T-110. T-1 minute. SRB joint heaters being turned off. External tank strut heaters being turned off. T-31. Discovery's computers now controlling. We're into the auto sequence. T-25.
20,
T-minus 20. Sound suppression system activated.
10.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Main engine start. 3 engines up and burning. 2, 1. Liftoff of Space Shuttle Discovery, developing new techniques to monitor our Earth's environment from space.
Roll program, Houston.
Roger, roll, Discovery.
Houston now controlling. Discovery is rolling on course for a 57-degree inclination, 140 nautical mile orbit on its 19th trip to space. Discovery speed already 400 miles an hour, altitude 9,000 feet. 3 engines on board Discovery now throttling back to 2/3 throttle to prepare the spacecraft to pass through the area of maximum air pressure. Discovery now going supersonic. Speed now 1,023 miles an hour, 4 miles east of the launch pad. Altitude is 47,000 feet.
Discovery, go at throttle up.
Go at throttle up.
3 engines on board Discovery now back at full throttle. Good hydraulic systems, good electrical systems on board. 1.5 minutes since liftoff. Discovery's already burned more than 2.25 million pounds of propellant and weighs less than half of what it did at launch. Flight controllers now be standing by for burnout and jettison of the twin solid rockets. Discovery's altitude now 108,000 feet, 16 miles east of the Kennedy Space Center. Speed now 2,700 miles an hour. Booster officer confirms a good separation and jettison of the twin solid rockets. Altitude now 167,000 feet, 32 miles east of the Kennedy Space Center. Discovery traveling 3,400 miles.
Nominal performance, Brent, and you're in the barrel again.
Okay, Dick, we'll work on it.
Call indicating that Discovery's
Right there.
performance thus far is just as planned.
Discovery, 2-engine TOW.
2-engine TOW.
That call indicating that Discovery could perform an emergency transoceanic landing if required. All 3 engines continue to operate well at full throttle. Altitude now 233,000 feet, 56 miles east of Florida. Discovery speed now 3,800 miles an hour.